Well, it never ends. So oftentimes the double upload one will disappear. Now I have them both here. 966 there, 966 there, and I am uploading 967. So like I said, constant changes, and I have two of the double. All right, of course I didn't double upload, but that's just the way it is. So okay, so we have double upload still there, normally disappears. So here's the thing, I said at number 964, double upload explained, this changes regularly. Then at number 966, no, at number 967, the very top, I said double uploads changes. And now I'm going to upload this video and then I'm going to say another change. So, yep, regular occurrences, regular occurrences. So 966, let me reiterate, 966, oh, 132 degrees. Temperature is extremely high on the phone. 966 there. Okay, so we have two of them and I'm uploading right now. See, I'm uploading there. All right, so I am going to say stop, and I am going to do this. Here I am. I got a new modem, so the SSIN has changed. So it says Toronto 80. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the recorder and I'm going to cancel this connection now, but he still has a connection regardless if I cancel this one. So I'm going to tap on the X, and now you can hear my voice, but you cannot see the recording. Anyways, I'm going to stop recording now. Stop.